welcome back to another episode of German Muscle Auto. So today, as you can see behind me, we picked up a new baby, which is a 2004 Audi Allroad Quattro 2.7 liter. I've always been a fan of Audi Allroads. Of course, you know, we have the BMW M340. You know, that's still my baby, so I can't, you know, just leave her hanging like that. But also, you know, I wanted to kind of pick up another project, and I think this will be definitely a good project. The car needs a lot of things, and we hope that you stay and subscribe to the channel and watch the build. Hey guys, so this is the walk around. Back window shattered, needs a little bit of work. But everything else is look like it's in good condition. The interior. Not that much lighting. Good lighting. Just some stuff in the back from the car. But all in due time, it will be fixed up. We'll definitely get this puppy up and running. Overall, the car hasn't had any major damage or anything. Hi, that's me. So I'm going to show you guys the engine. The engine is very clean. Definitely needs some work. We're definitely going to do the timing belt, serpentine belt, do an oil change, spark plugs. Excuse the mess in the background. See, the engine is definitely really clean. So we hope you stay and join us on this build. It's going to be an amazing build, getting this car up and running. And hope you like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell.